If you have learned something from this particular channel before now, please let me know. This is Excel is Fun. He has over 1.3 million subscribers and over 3,000 videos about Microsoft Excel and Power BI. So like a week or so, he just announced that he was going to quit YouTube, right? So he was not going to actually upload videos on YouTube again. And I was like, oh my goodness, what the heck is going on? So I love it. Like, it's okay. He has done a lot. I think over 18 years is not really small at all. That is great, right? So the reason I'm making this particular video is that if you love Microsoft Excel and as well if you love Power BI, this very channel right in here will definitely help you to learn about Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Power BI. I mean, he teaches you like a baby. He takes his time to teach you. He has more premium videos right in here than some courses out there. You understand? So if you're an Excel lover and you want to learn about Microsoft Excel, this is the best channel that you can actually learn Excel from. So it has every single practice files that you are going to actually use to follow along step by step. And one thing that you need to understand is that you don't just watch them as videos. No, you watch them like you are actually in a live class. So you have to make sure you practice along so that you can actually understand every single thing right here is important. This particular channel here can actually help you to have a career as a data analyst because he explained every single thing you need to know about functions and formulas and how to bring different functions together to solve a particular problem. That is why I am sharing this particular channel to you today, because this is one of the top channels that actually helped me to learn Microsoft Excel, and as well this particular channel introduced me to Microsoft Power BI. And today I have a channel that teaches you about Excel and Power BI right in here that has over 90,000 subscribers, and I have over 400 videos right in here about Excel and Power BI as well. So if I have learned from him and I'm able to actually create the channel from what I've learned from right in here and have that particular massive followers, so what about you? Even if you're trying to build a career without even you thinking about becoming a content creator on Excel and Power BI, this particular channel will still help you to actually understand what Excel is, work with Excel effectively and efficiently. So I believe that you would like to check it out. So go ahead and do that, and see you in my next videos.